I'm coming in loud and clear. Might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 19. Anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. You know what I was thinking the other day is it has been 5 years since I built my antenna tower down here. 5 years. A lot of people have said that this thing wouldn't last 6 months, but it has. And so I figured it was time to do a 5-year follow-up. So let me walk around the side of the building here and I'll show you how it's holding up. We've only made one modification to it in the last 2 years, and I'll show that to you. We had a very good reason for doing that, but it wasn't structural. Hold on a second here. Sorry, it needs to be power washed here. It's pretty dirty in the shade. There we go. So changes you may notice is there's now a gas tank back here. That wasn't there before, and the exhaust for the garage heater. The only change that we've made is, if you look, that's a 16-footer. The riser's a 16, and this used to be a 16. Now it's a 12. We needed to bring it closer into the house so we could get our new studio up there, and so that's the only change we've made, but it didn't affect anything. Other than that, I mean, take a look. It's alive. It is working. In fact, we still have the Max 2000 way up at the top there. And next to it is the, now it's I think 25-year-old Antron A99. It still works, but it did take some damage in a storm, and so it works. But if it's been raining a lot, the SWR goes off the charts, so we can only use it in fair weather. There's a 2-meter ham directional antenna that really hasn't been of any use, but it's up there. And then that one there is a 10, 15, and 20 meter. It's really for mobile, but it's had some purpose down here. There's a 2-meter J pole over here. A little hard to see the J part of it, but it's there. And then there's a GMRS radio rounding out the mix over there in the corner. And it's, I mean, up at the, oh, I guess I forgot the TV antenna is still there. That the motor broke on it, but it still picks up signals. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm not going to make this a terribly long video, but I did want to share it with you because a lot of people have been asking, you know, a lot of people when I built this thing, a lot of people just said, why don't you get a tower? Why don't you get a tower? Well, the answer was easy. I couldn't afford it. These 4x4x16s were $1.97 a piece when we picked them up. They were on clearance. And so this was an easy project to build and put up. Those top post rails that are up there, those were like $1 a piece. Of course, all this stuff with hyperinflation and, you know, societal collapse that we're currently experiencing here in the U.S., it's no longer, I would no longer be able to build something like this for anywhere near the kind of money that I had in it. But then again, you still probably, if you're looking at buying a tower, also has suffered from hyperinflation and would no longer be feasible to buy one of those either. So I guess this was just the right place at the right time. Anyway, I guess that'll do it. Just wanted to give you that 5-year update. If you have scrap wood laying around, have a couple of steel pipes laying around, you certainly can put something like this together and get on the air. Till next time, my friends, take care.